Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY. Today we're going to be making an interesting pendant from walnut and two-colored epoxy. Let's head into the project. As I mentioned, we're going to be using walnut for this particular project. As you can see, just got a tiny little piece. It's a square one, so perfect for a nice pendant. So the first step is to mix up that epoxy. My epoxy comes in two parts, A and B, and you have to put equal amounts. I found that when I put the component A into warm water, it actually gives me better results. There's less air bubbles and it mixes well. Now it's time to mix up both parts together. And we're going to leave it like that for a few minutes for any of the air bubbles to come out. Now we're going to mix some color pigments. One is going to be green and one blue. What I did, again, taped it around it, as you can see, and basically I'm just going to pour the epoxy inside and we'll see what we can make out of that. If you're new to my channel, I do encourage you to subscribe to it, and if you're liking this particular video, drop me that like button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. As the shape of the pendant is now more or less sorted, I'm just going to pre-drill a hole for the wire. And now to the fun part, which is sanding. I'm going to go through grids from 120 to 320. Then I'm going to do some wet sanding on the pads right up to 1000 grit. Then I'm going to move to the Yorkshire grit. And after that, final sanding with 7000 grit paper. And the final thing is just to install the leather strip. And there you have it, guys. Really nice, cool looking project. I really like the way it came out. It looks absolutely beautiful. Really nice looking pendant. As you can see, it's actually not that hard to make one, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave me that like button down below, and let me know what are your epoxy projects and how do you actually make sure that there's no air bubbles in them. Let me know that in the comments down below, because you know, this is still a learning curve for myself. But for now, that's it, guys. I'll see you next week on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.